Low Voltage Power Plant Interactive Training Project. An analysis of monthly inspection reports shows that a number of blackout events are being reported, including those that were also part of a total loss of power. In addition to these reported blackout events, there were other blackouts, either in the port or at sea, not deemed by the technical personnel to be significant enough to be reported. In these situations, power was recovered automatically, and no further action was taken. Statements issued by the UK P&I Club claim that around 3/4 of all chief engineers, who they interviewed, reported that their vessels had experienced power blackouts in the recent past. The causes of blackouts resulting in claims can be divided into a number of categories. Machinery failures such as mechanical, electrical, automation, and control equipment accounted for 58%, human error 23%, and lack of fuel 16%. The consequences of trying to recover from a total loss of power falls on a spectrum from mild to severe, from couple of hours of drifting all the way up to running aground. In the worst-case scenario, the cost to remedy the situation could run into the millions of dollars. Problems can be encountered with the application of automated systems, the failures of automation, and associated processor-based power management systems. As well, a growing number of auxiliary engines with electronic fuel injection are being used as primary movers for the alternators on board the modern fleet. The above factors will undoubtedly contribute to future accidents. It is therefore essential that the technical personnel on board a ship have a good understanding of power management and related automated systems. They should be able to efficiently maintain these systems in a safe operational condition. This interactive book on ships' electric low-voltage power generation and distribution systems is the next one of a series published by Rae Educational Services in cooperation with Troubleshooting Ship Automation Training Project to aid marine technical personnel in the performance of their regular duties and fault-finding procedures. It includes information obtained from extensive research of available technical literature on the subject and presents a set of preferred practices based on authors' own troubleshooting skills. The principles and procedures described are in accordance with class regulations and professional society. It should be used to enhance and supplement your knowledge and skills. It will provide familiarization with a variety of electrical appliances that are part of or associated with modern marine power generation and distribution systems. Application principles and procedures for the operation of electric power distribution systems and associated major components are presented. The contents include principles of power generation systems, cabling systems, electrical equipment, power system protection and coordination, operational procedures, and electrical utilization systems. This publication should be appropriate for management-level marine engineers, operational-level marine engineers, ETO through any stage of their career, engineering cadets,